Alright, so this is section 9.9 absolute value. I'm going to do a few examples for you here in Hawks. So number one, the first one that we have, we're given an absolute value of 2x minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay, so this one is not in standard form because of this plus 4. So we have to move it to the other side by subtracting 4 from both sides. Once you do that, we have absolute value of 2x minus 5 is equal to negative 4. Okay, so in the video I was pointing out example C. Once you isolate the absolute value and you set it equal to the other number, if it is negative, we can't solve it because absolute value says this is a positive number and there's no way a positive number is going to be equal to a negative number. So this is going to have no solution. But the problem first wants you to put it in standard form. So you do have to simplify it like we have done here. And I'm going to go here to the keypad and type in absolute value of 2x minus 5. And then arrow outside of that and do equal and then negative 4. Okay, so that is our standard form. And this is not going to have any solution because absolute value is going to be equal to a positive number, not a negative one. Okay, so this is the other example. There's two absolute value expressions, one on each side. So we're going to solve this one. We have the absolute value of negative 3x minus 2 equals absolute value negative 5x minus 1. Okay, we're going to solve this problem twice. We're going to do it without the absolute value bars, and we're going to do it without the absolute value bars and changing the signs of one side. Okay, so first on the left, I'm just going to drop the absolute value bars and solve this. So I have negative 3x minus 2 equals negative 5x minus 1. Okay, so that's 1. And on the other side, I'm going to do the same thing. So I'm not going to change the left side, I'm going to change the right side. So I'm going to have negative 3x minus 2 equals negative, and then negative 5x minus 1. So you just put a negative and change one side. Okay, so we're going to collect like terms. I'm going to add 5x to both sides. And then when I combine these, I get a positive 2x minus 2, bring that down, equals negative 1. I'm going to add 2 to both sides. And we get 2x equals positive 1. And then we divide by 2. And that gives us x equals 1/2. So one possible answer is 1/2. That will make both of these sides equal. And then over here, I'm going to bring this term down. Negative 3x minus 2 equals, distribute a negative 1. That's what you need to see this as. Multiplying both of these by negative and changing their sign. So this is going to be a positive 5x plus 1. Okay, we're going to solve this and do the same thing. So I'm going to move the 3x this time because I would like this variable to stay positive. So I'm going to add 3x, bring down negative 2 equals, this is going to be 8x plus 1. And then subtract 1 to get rid of it. And then we get negative 3 equals 8x. And then we will divide by 8. And we get negative 3 over 8 equals x. So these are our two answers. They're not going to be the same. They're not going to be the same sign even. But as long as you do the process correctly, you come out with two answers. So we get positive a half, and we get negative 3/8.